Okay, we're inside here, and as you can see, my office here, we did well to get everything elevated. Now I gotta hope that if it comes up another, say, 10 inches, then these bottoms of these desks are gonna get wet, and that will pretty much ruin them. And at this point, I'm kind of committed to the solution we took. You can see my sofa is up on the edges of two tables. The lights are working. Me fai con Nan. There's Nan. Nan standing outside. So anyway, I think we did well to get everything up. I hope you can see all of this. Let's take a walk out into the downstairs of the factory. Okay. Now this is my packing area that you saw yesterday. Got everything up off the ground. Everything's on the tables. Everything was moved up to the little, they call that chaneloi, which means the little floor. It's between the second floor and the first floor, and we filled all the stuff up. Let's see. Water knocked the trash can out. Let's see. Got electricity in here? Yes, we do. Okay, there's our die cutting machine. Something got washed into the water. Nan's motorcycle. There's the drinking water, yahoo! And fortunately we got all the mulberry paper that we used, the white paper that we used for cutting flowers. We got up off the ground. So anyway, there's the little cutting machine. White paper. I think we did well. There's the kitchen here. Okay. Yeah, I think we did well to get everything up. That's the executive toilet there. That's the one that I use. Okay, back into the factory. And actually, as I said, minimal damage, but obviously there will be no flowers made at Banju Sap today. Hopefully tomorrow will be Friday. We have plans to work Saturday and Sunday to try to get our orders done. And there you can see it is 7:25 a.m. on Thursday, September 29, 28, one of those days. Anyway. Let's see, work my way back out here. Take a look, we'll say hello to Nan. Nam Tuam. Yes, that means the floods. Right, Nan? You okay, Nan?
Okay.
Lap di mai?
Mai di.
Nan slept no good last night. Wow, see? This is bad news, man. Wow, that current is just flowing by here, man. That's like a strong river. I'm surprised there's not more cars parked up here. Usually cars park up here. See that? Even cute girls come out in the floods. Hurry up. Hey. Well, people are still smiling. Okay. Tad Legue, Banju Sap Paper Flower Factory, Chiang Mai, signing off.